Life can be tough. We all face negativity. It's a part of the human experience. Whether it's a harsh word from a colleague, a setback in our personal goals, or even our own self-doubt, negativity can creep in from all directions. It can feel like a heavy weight on our shoulders, dragging us down. It's easy to get pulled down. The rain of negative thoughts can pour down on us, making it hard to see the sunshine. We might find ourselves walking through life with slumped shoulders, feeling the burden of our worries and fears. This negativity hurts our growth. It whispers doubts. It tells us we're not good enough, that our dreams are out of reach. We look in the mirror and see someone who is struggling, someone who is overwhelmed by the challenges of life. It makes us question ourselves. Negativity holds us back. We start to second-guess our decisions, our abilities, and our worth. We sit in silence, lost in our thoughts, wondering if we will ever be able to overcome the obstacles in our path. It stops us from seeing our potential. We stare out of windows, lost in a fog of uncertainty. Our work remains unfinished. Our goals seem distant. We walk alone, feeling disconnected from the world around us. We start to believe we aren't good enough. Rejections and failures pile up, reinforcing our negative beliefs. We look at our empty wallets, our rejected applications, and we feel a deep sense of inadequacy. We lose sight of our dreams. The visions we once had for our future become blurred. Our dreams, once vibrant and full of life, now seem like distant memories. We sit surrounded by the remnants of our aspirations, feeling a sense of loss. But there's a way out. We can choose to rise above negativity. It starts with a decision, a moment of clarity where we decide to stand up and fight back. We look up at the sky, take a deep breath, and find hope within ourselves. We can choose to rise above negativity. We can climb the hills of our challenges, stand tall with confidence, and look in the mirror with a smile, knowing that we are capable of overcoming anything. It starts with a simple shift. We can turn off the noise of negativity, take time to reflect and write down our thoughts, and find peace through meditation. These small actions can make a big difference. Focus on what truly matters, your goals. By setting clear intentions and visualizing our success, we can redirect our energy towards what truly matters. Our goals become our guiding light, helping us navigate through the darkness of negativity. Negativity is exhausting. It drains our energy and steals our joy. When we focus on the negative, we give it power. Imagine your energy as a precious resource. Don't waste it on negativity. Instead, channel it towards something positive. Focus on your goals. They are your North Star. They guide you towards a brighter future. Big changes start small. It's often the little things that make the biggest difference in the long run. Just like a seedling grows into a mighty tree, small habits can lead to significant transformations in our lives. Don't underestimate the power of atomic habits. These small, seemingly insignificant actions can set off a chain reaction, much like a row of dominoes falling one after the other. Setting an alarm clock early might seem trivial, but it can be the start of a productive day. These are tiny, positive actions that we repeat consistently. Writing in a journal every day or watering a plant might seem small, but over time they contribute to personal growth and a sense of accomplishment. Start with one small habit. It could be as simple as tying your running shoes every morning or making your bed. These actions set the tone for the rest of the day. Maybe it's reading 10 pages a day. This small commitment can expand your knowledge and open up new worlds one page at a time, or taking a short walk. A daily walk can improve your physical health, clear your mind, and boost your mood. Over time, these small actions add up. Consistency is key. Just like a plant grows with regular care, our habits flourish with consistent effort. Marking off days on a calendar can help you visualize your progress. Don't aim for perfection, aim for progress. Celebrate each small victory. These moments of celebration provide motivation and reinforce the positive behavior. It's fuel for the journey ahead. Each small step you take builds momentum, leading you closer to your goals. Whether it's hiking up a mountain or preparing a healthy meal, these actions are the building blocks of a better future. Section 4. The quiet path to progress. Keep your goals private. You don't need anyone's approval. Your journey is yours alone. When you share your goals too early, it can backfire. You might seek validation from others. Their opinions can derail your focus. Instead, find joy in the process. Celebrate small wins privately. Let your results speak for themselves. Section 5. Your journey, your focus. Seeking attention is a distraction. In a world filled with noise and constant demands for our attention, it's easy to get sidetracked. The allure of social media, the pressure to conform, and the desire for validation can pull us away from what truly matters. It takes you away from your goals. When you focus on what others think, you lose sight of your own path. Writing down your goals, working diligently, and staying committed to your personal journey are essential steps to success. It's a trap that leads to self-doubt. Constantly seeking approval can make you question your worth and abilities. It's important to recognize these moments and remind yourself of your strengths and capabilities. Tear away the doubts and focus on your inner voice. Remember, your journey is unique. Each step you take, each challenge you overcome, and each moment of joy is part of your personal story. Embrace the uniqueness of your path and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. It's not about impressing others. True fulfillment comes from within. When you turn away from the crowd and focus on your own tasks, you find a deeper sense of purpose and satisfaction. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. Let go of negativity, embrace positive habits, engage in activities that bring you peace and joy, like yoga, creating a vision board, or celebrating your personal milestones. These practices help you stay grounded and focused. Focus on your goals, not the applause. The journey to self-improvement is a personal one. It's about the quiet moments of dedication and the relentless pursuit of your dreams. This is your time to shine. Stand confidently in your achievements, bask in the sunlight of your hard work, and celebrate your personal victories. Your journey is yours alone, and it's time to embrace it fully.